welcome back to Project Wellington. Today we're going to be doing a service on this Scirocco that I have, because they're taking it to a show this weekend. So the first thing we're going to do is put this engine flush in there just to clean the engine with the oilers. Just helps it flow better. So we'll do that first. Okay, so we put that in. Just got to leave that running for about 15 minutes and then we can put the car up on the ramps and drain the oil. On the Scirocco we've got this tray here that we've got to take off. So it is a T25 hex Torx, so we'll undo those. Taking the tray off, and at the back there's 3 T30s to undo as well. That just goes there, there and there, and now we've got to take the drain plug off, which is there. So I'm going to see what spanner it is, then I'll let you know. So that was a 19mm spanner socket, so just letting that drain. Then we can take a look at taking the oil filter out. So while that's finishing drain, I'll show you where the oil filter goes. That's where your oil filter goes. This thing is just clipped on there, so you just unclip it. And then you've got access. It's a 32mm socket that goes on there. You just untighten it anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the part number for the Scirocco 2 litre diesel. Okay, this is what it looks like. So this just clips onto there, like so. And then what you need to do is take your rubber ring off of there and replace it with the one in the box. Refixed up the tray underneath. So now we can start putting the oil back in, and then we'll go on to this box here and do the air filter. Job is to undo these Torx bits around the air filter. They're T20s, so once you've done that, you have to undo this bit a bit more, and then you can lift that up and get to your air filter, which seems to be a K&N, so it probably just needs a clean up on this one. So we'll do that and then put it back.